Lightweight, plastic light illuminates inside of an ice chest, cooler, tackle box, or toolbox. Easy to install with included adhesive tape. Light turns on when lid is raised open, turns off when lid is closed shut. Auto shut off after 20 seconds of continuous use. Runs on 3 LR44 1.5 volt button cell batteries included. Affordable, essential gear for camping, backpacking, backcountry treks, motorhomes, cabins, and more. Top reviews from the United States. I should have bought one of these long ago. Got this for my husband. We stay on the boat in the summer and I hate digging past beers to find a Coke. This was Prefect. It comes on automatically when you lift the lid. It has a little metal bar that hits another metal piece inside the light that makes it come on. It also has a timer, and the light will shut off if the lid odor closed, in about 20 seconds. Yes, I just went and did it, twice, just for this review, and you'll have to tip the lid down and back up. Photo took in completely dark room.